Question 1. Color contrast test on pressure vessel, die and developer where? A. Die outside, developer inside. B. Both outside. C. Die inside, developer outside. Justification for internal flaw detection in pressure vessels. Question 2. After lightning strike, check? A. Flight controls full and free movement. B. Controls only if bonding burned. C. Major overhaul required. Justification: a lightning strike can potentially damage or impede control surface movement, necessitating a thorough check. Question 3. Aircraft less than 5,700 kilograms, non-commercial, reweighing frequency? A. Every 5 years. B. As required by the CAA. C. Every 2 years. Justification: reweighing intervals for these aircraft are determined by the Civil Aviation Authority's regulations. Question 4. Old weight and balance report after reweighing? A. Destroyed after 5 years. B. Kept in aircraft logbook. C. Kept in the weight. Justification: the old report should be record retention policy, and possibly based on JAR OPS influence. Question 5. Park brake on, hydraulic system at max pressure, what do the main wheel brake gauges show? A. Full system pressure. B. No reading. C. Gauge maxed out. Justification: with the park brake applied and system pressurized, the brake gauges will reflect the full hydraulic system pressure. Question 6. Tap for fitting a helicoil? A. Same as original thread. B. Next size up. C. Tap supplied with helicoil kit. Justification: helicoil kits come with a specialized tap designed to cut the correct oversized thread for the insert. Question 7. Maximum bow allowed in a strut? A. 1 in 200. B. 1 in 600. C. 1 in 500. Justification: the maximum allowable bow in a strut is a strict tolerance to ensure structural integrity. Question 8. Small indentation unacceptable on hollow tube? A. Outer 1/3 portion. B. Mid 1/3 section. C. Nowhere. Justification: the middle section of a hollow tube is often subject to higher stresses, making indentations more critical there. Question 9. After heavy turbulence, you would A. Carry out a major overhaul. B. Check the aircraft symmetry. C. Not carry out any checks. Justification: checks for heavy turbulence might be conditional. Question 10. If the part you're checking is really thin, how long should you leave the colored liquid on the surface to find leaks? A. At least normal. B. At least twice normal. C. At least 3 times normal. Justification: very thin materials need longer penetrant dwell time.